Hello, hello friends. Welcome back to the Smart Excel. This video I'm going to show you about normal charts and GNATP charts, NAT charts. So when you see the data, when you select the data or any chart, and when there is no differences in this level here, so that is a normal chart in Excel. But when you have something like when you select the graph, and you can see the changes. So this is a not GNATP chart. So there are various videos on this. I have also shared many videos. You can refer to my previous videos. So now when you start, I'm going to show you how to do a chart in two ways. So there is adding details header and selecting all the necessary data. So if you select all the details and if you want to try to go to insert and here when you have to go to charts, select this one in the second option and you can see this isn't making sense. So when you select the data, you have to select the responsible data only. So, so select this first. You can see the main two things, two variables x and y, and this, along with this, and then you go to insert, and here select the arrow mark all charts and bar, and I select the second one or this one, but I like this one most. So you can see the chart has been created. Now this axis, I don't want to have the days, so instead of that, I want the header to be in star. So what I'll do is I'll select data, or I can select from here. I can click and select data. And in this, I'm going to put a comma. And later, I'm going to start this. And then OK. So you can see this again. Select data. You can see H is selected. H is not again. You have to select comma. Start. And then you can see that when you see this, the red lines are there. So you just have to do is just go and move this in the software. And you can see the changes here. And you can do OK. Now this graph is fine, but this is not as what we wanted. So first of all, I'll be selecting this area and I'm going to change the font. So I'm going to make this as 115. And now you can see the date also. So I'm going to make this also as 14. The chart is ready, but this is not actually the chart which we are looking for. So we have to make some modifiers. We have to do some modification. The first thing we have to do is when we have to select this, the sprint area is starting from 1, so it is down, and the date should be on the top. Double click this, go to this area, this bar area, and when you come down, you can see category is in reverse order. So you can see now it will change. Well, after that, I want to remove this text. So I'll just be selecting this double click and go to this area and then go to no fill. Now the best thing is that if you want to change some areas, you can do by selecting. So if you select all, you can see all the colors can be changed in one shot. You can just go and choose the color you require. But if you want to select one by one also, you can do. You can select one, go to the format. You can go with the textures or even you can change this texture. You can go to the other fill. You can change the radiance, the different radiance. You can change the color also. You can change. So one by one also you can select one and you can change. Go to fill. You can change the outline. You can change the width. Or you can do the dashes. You can change this. You can change, if you want to change the fill, if you want to make this yellow. So there are certain different things which you can do. And apart from that, if you want to change the date column, now if you want to change this date, you can select this. Go to numbers, you can change the date format. So you can make this into month or year also. So this is like this is our monthly format. And here also you can change the units for this. Now if you don't know what actually this means, you can you can change here also, or you can copy this. So this actually is the date in the format here, format I will show you now. So this actually is how we have done the changes. Again, if you want to drill down, we can do a lot of changes in the labels, in the marks and numbers where you can see. You can do a lot of changes. And if you think that if you have changed the wrong order, also you can reset it. Now if I'm going to make this into, so if you are a mistake, you can just reset it. It will come back to the original position. Now you can see that this, if you want to see this chart dynamically, how it changes. So if I'm going to make this into 10, so you can see how the changes are being carried out. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you have anything to be added, just please let me know. I'm going to show the next video on how to change the dates and how to do the changes in the dates in the next video. Thanks for watching.